What's going on, guys? Billy here, and today I wanted to make this quick video to share and promote a new Facebook page that I've created called DJI Workshop. Now, I consider this YouTube channel a community where people can come together and learn about DJI drones from the videos that I post, but it's really not the best way to share your content or ask questions that you have about the drone. I mean, the comment section does a good job, but sometimes it is littered with people who are trying to spam comments. With that being said, I wanted to create a group so that everyone who owns a DJI product could come together to not only ask questions about their products or maybe, about the devices that they're using, but also share some of the content that they shoot with their drones, as these are incredible pieces of equipment and you don't just want to go and leave those videos sitting on your hard drive. So what I wanted to do is create a Facebook group. I've had it open now for, I would say, about a week. It's been sort of a test run. I think I've got around 150 members in there, but I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Facebook is not my favorite social media site. I think the interface is a little bit confusing and there's just way too much going on the site itself, but it does a great job at grouping people together. One thing I do ask is that you guys read the rules before you post so that we can have things run smoothly. Anyway, hope to see you guys over there. Link again will be down in the description, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.